Day! So today we have a requested DIY. It's by Chelsea Martinez, who does stop motion with me. I'll link our channel down below. It says, "Hey Sean, I loved the vid. I have a request. Do a gallon of clear glue and put a whole bunch of pink and red glitter and some glitter hearts as a Valentine special. Please do it." So we're gonna do it because we do all of our subscribers' requests. And so we have our bowl for the gallon of glue, our clear glue, glitter, and the hearts for Valentine's Day. So let's begin. Okay, so we're going to start off by taking our huge gallon of clear glue and pouring it into
what the heck?
What?
It's heavy.
I know. Remember last time for our 100 subscriber special, we did a gallon of glue that time too. But this is...
I can't wait till you have to put your hands all in it.
Oh no. So yeah, we mix first, and then once it gets so much, we mix with the hands. Jeez. Now we have to mix it a little bit to get the bubbles out. So next, after we have all of our stuff, we're gonna put in this hot pink glitter, and then red glitter and red little other stuff. Then we have bubblegum light pink one for Valentine's Day.
We're still going.
Okay, before we put in the hearts, we're gonna mix it. Wait, do you have it all out?
Okay. It just like it's cool.
What about these? We'll put that in after we mix the glitter in. Okay, so let's mix it up. We're going to add in our heart things. I don't know what you would really call them. Heart.
I don't even know.
Heart things. We'll just call it heart things. Oh. And we'll mix that in too. This might become like a crunchy slime or something. Okay, so Kiki's gonna mix, I'm gonna pour, and we're going to put in our slime activator. We might need a lot of this, so. Okay, now mix. I'm gonna have to put in my hands eventually. And she's going to pour, and I'm gonna make, okay. It's very, very wet.
Ah!
Oh my god. This is so, like, this is a better way to mix because it's like you get everything in there.
Why is it like chunky?
Did you use it all?
No, there's still more. Why is it?
Oh, I don't know.
Get in there.
Okay, I really hope we're able to like fix this because this is gonna just be like mush if we don't have enough. we're almost done. We just need to mix it a little bit.
Look, Sean.
It's like, it's super slimy and stretchy, and
Look, I like
there's
this.
so much of it. It's, oh my gosh, I need to like,
Oh, that is a workout. And look, my hands are clean.
Mine too. I'm working on getting it all out of my hands since I, oh my shirt. Since
Still
I
kind of.
put my hands in. This is really cool though. Last time it was a giant fluffy slime. This time it's a giant, like, normal slime. So this is the finished product. Kiki, isn't this so cool?
Mm-hmm.
It's
I'm
like,
not gonna say it.
yeah.
Turn on this.
I just flipped a piece. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very stretchy. Wait, do it again.
Oh, literally. That is not budget.
It's like, I don't know how to describe this. This is what a small piece of the slime looks like. When you do this, it's much more stretchy and like squishier. So you can play with it better when you have a little bit. But when you have a lot, it's fun to just like do this and stuff. So thank you for watching. We had a lot of fun doing this. And happy Valentine's Day. Bye.
Bye.